I'm back, yeah. Only good thing I do like about my garage is connected to my house and I can feel the heat come from outside. And also got my little trusty heater, which it ain't gonna heat this big ass garage up. But hey, it's a thought that count, right? It's all about trying. At least you can come over here and warm up a little bit. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead on and knock this out the way. It ain't gonna take me that long to get this done. And as y'all can see, I got all my little stuff set up. I'm gonna ground it here, right here. But I'm gonna clean this surface. I'm gonna get a towel and wipe it off. And I'm gonna clean it up. As y'all can see, I got the scrub on the drill. And I'm gonna get it done. So I'm gonna sit my camera down. Bear with me, y'all. I'm gonna set my camera down right there on it, and I'll be right back. Go grab a towel. All right, I'm back. Grab a towel. I was looking for this today. Let's grab a towel. Clean this area up. Man, look, I used to take a screwdriver and try to scrape that stuff up. Focus camera, focus. Right there, you see it? So now I'm just gonna take this bigger barrel, and if I plug it up, oh, that's my light plugged up. I'm like, what the hell? Hold on, y'all. Bear with a brother for a second. Shit, this motherfucker was taking some other stuff. Y'all see it now? I gotta hit this side. You see how nice and shiny that is? So, I'm gonna get up there a little bit more. Hey y'all, that should be, let's see if y'all can see it. Yeah, you see how nice and cleaned that up all. I took my paint off, which I ain't tripping. Jesus. That boy done toast some other stuff up out there, huh? Anyway, I ain't tripping. I got a stack of them. As y'all can see how nice and shiny that is, I'll get some good ground. So now all I gotta do is, give me a second. Hardware store I went to didn't have no more copper that I wanted. I really wanted the copper, but I'm gonna put these on the 4 gauge. So this ain't big enough. As y'all seen, that went on there perfect, like dynamite perfect. So I got something for this. Yeah, I got something for this. To make this hole bigger, I got something for that. And you know what you gotta do? I'm gonna show y'all, you know, how to do it. Yo, I got stuff everywhere, y'all. I got like 2 toolboxes that I be trying to keep up with stuff. Like, like really trying to keep up with things. Hold on, let me sit this camera down. So, bear with me, guys. But y'all like, what the hell is he doing? Oh, wait. Bear with it, brother. There we go. And I ain't cutting nothing out, yo. We gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it straight 100 with y'all on everything I do. On my ups, on my oops, on my I shouldn't have done it. We all have those. Even the best mechanic have those. Some oops, I shouldn't have did that. Oh, maybe I should have put that there. We all have those. So we all not perfect out here. If you claim to be perfect, stay away from around me, yo. I got 2 drills. I'm gonna use this one. I don't feel like going to the car, which it ain't that far from me, but I ain't doing it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a drill bit on here. Put a drill bit on here and pretty much open this up a little more. Maybe I should have used the fast one, huh? I only got. Maybe I might go get the this one. Yeah, this one's taking all day, y'all. Guys, I can't do that one. Dead serious. Told you. Oops. Be right back. Hold on, guys. I'm back. Like I said, I like using that drill like if I go to the junkyard and you might have to take off something. I like using that drill. I like using this drill like when I'm at home. And I do want to replace this drill for a compressor. A compressor. I do want to do that because I just don't want to use that all the time and wear the motor out. I'd rather have that like if I go to the junkyard or be out somewhere and I need to change my tire or something. Hey, I do this every time, yo. I never tighten this thing up for nothing. That's why I said I'm gonna show y'all my little oops and my. I think that'll open it up a little bit for me. And if I'm not doing this right, who cares? It's my car. Do what you want to do to your car. Remember that. I hate when somebody be like, oh, why'd you do that to your car? Or why'd you do this? Do it matter why I do it? Shouldn't matter. It's my car. I don't, you know what I mean? And if I'm not doing this right, oh well. I pay for it. a lot of YouTubers go through that and like be having people, but you have those people. They be praying on your downfall, like T Grizzly said. Alright, so I need to open it up just a little bit more. I'll show y'all. I need to open it up just a little bit more, you see. You see? Just a little bit more. Yo, all that's gonna be cleaned up. I got a shop vac. No fussing about it. That's my little baby right there. So we just gotta open it up a little bit more. I'm not gonna keep y'all going and going and going. So once I get to the process, I'll be right back.